Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a footer message for all Gmail users in Google Workspace. This is especially useful if you want to add consistent branding, legal disclaimers, or contact information to every email sent from your organization. First, open your web browser and go to Google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that takes you to admin.google.com. This is the central hub where you'll manage settings for everyone in your workspace. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular users won't have access to these settings. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This section controls all the Google Workspace applications your organization uses. From there, click on Google Workspace and then select Gmail from the list. This brings you to the Gmail-specific settings where you can configure how email works across your entire organization. Now, in the Gmail menu, click on Compliance. This is where you'll find advanced settings like content filtering, routing rules, and footer management. Scroll down until you reach the Append Footer section. This is the feature that lets you automatically add a footer to all outgoing emails. Click Configure or add another rule to start creating your footer message. A new dialog box will appear. In the Setting Name field, type a descriptive name for your footer rule, something like company footer or legal disclaimer so you can identify it later. Next, enter your footer message in the provided text field. You can use the formatting tools to customize the text, adjusting font size, color, or style to match your branding. If you want to include images, keep them small. Google recommends a maximum size of 100 pixels high by 1000 pixels wide to avoid cluttering the email. If you want this footer to appear on internal emails as well, check the box that says Append Footer to messages being sent within your organization. Otherwise, it will only appear on emails sent outside your company. Finally, click Save to apply the settings. After saving, review the Append Footer table to confirm that your rule appears and is active. Your footer will now be automatically added to all emails sent by users in your Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.